The entire human heart is made up of cardiac muscles and it consists of three layers: outer epicardium, middle myocardium, and inner endocardium. A specialized cardiac muscles form a structure known as nodes. In human heart, two nodes are present known as sino-auricular node or SA node and auriculoventricular node known as AV node. So what are these SA node and AV node? These are made up of specialized cardiac muscle. So a specialized cardiac muscles form a group known as node. So this or nodal tissue. First of all, SA node or sino-auricular node. This sino-auricular node, it is present near the opening of the superior vena cava. As you can see, this is superior vena cava. Near the opening of the superior vena cava, sino-auricular node is present. So in which auricle sino-auricular node is present? Yes, in the right auricle. In the right auricle, near the opening of the superior vena cava, sino-auricular node is present. Second is the auriculoventricular node. Auriculoventricular node, it is present near the auriculoventricular septum. This is the auriculoventricular septum or septum which divides the heart into two parts, left and right. So near this septum, next second node is present known as auriculoventricular node. And in which auriculoventricular node is present? Yes, it is also present in the right auricle. Now this auriculoventricular node, later on it forms fiber like structure. It forms fiber. This nodal tissue, it gives out fibers, and these fibers are known as auriculoventricular fibers or bundle of His. So the fibers which come out from the auriculoventricular node is known as bundle of His. This bundle of His, it moves into the septa. Along the septa, it moves where it is present in the cardiac muscle. So it moves into the septa, and at the lower side near the apex, when it moves towards the ventricle, it divides into two branches. That is the left branch of bundle of His and right branch. Left branch, it enters into the left ventricle towards the left ventricle, and right branch enter towards the right ventricle. Now in the left ventricle, this left branch of bundle of His, it further divides to form fine fiber like structures, or it forms fine thread like structures into the wall of the ventricle, which are known as Purkinje fiber. Similarly, on the right side also, the right branch of bundle of His, it bifurcates or divide to give out fine thread like structures known as Purkinje's fiber. So these Purkinje's fiber, they enter into the each and every muscle of their respective ventricle. So let's revise again. Two nodal tissue or two specialized structure of cardiac muscles are present in the heart known as nodal tissue, and these are: number 1, sino-auricular node or SA node, present near the opening of the superior vena cava in right ventricle. Second is the auriculoventricular node, also known as AV node, present near the auriculoventricular septum in the right auricle. Then from this auriculoventricular node, bundle of His arises, or branch of bundle of fiber arises, known as bundle of His. Then this bundle of His, it divides into left and right branch, and this left and right branch, they enter into their respective ventricles and give rise to minute fibers throughout the ventricular muscles known as Purkinje's fiber. Number 1, SA node. Number 2, AV node. From AV node, bundle of His. Then from bundle of His, left and right branch of bundle of His, and they enter into their respective ventricle and forms Purkinje's fiber. Fine thread-like structure or minute fibers known as Purkinje's fiber.